Do you ever get asked the question of, hey, can you get a net sheet? I want to know what I'm going to net if I sell my house. Or hey, what's my estimated payment? Or are you looking to do lead generation on social media with videos and content and lenses and so forth to engage your audience? You see, because Fidelity Agent fills that gap on every level, whether you're on a mobile version or you're on your computer. Phenomenal program. Check this out as we go through it step by step. And I want to break down this real cool tool. It's called Fidelity Agent One. Here I am in the premium tab. Now keep in mind that this application is available on the website as well as on the mobile application as well. A ton of different tools that you can play with in and throughout here. It is 100% designed for the real estate agent, although there is quite a bit that you can do as a lender as well. Here are your swipeable graphics made predominantly for social media and sharing on your stories. You can also inside of here format it, as you can see right here, specifically for Facebook, Instagram, or stories on either. As we continue down, this is shortly right around Halloween season, so you're going to see those here. You will continue to see some kind of fun stuff coming up for Thanksgiving season as well as Christmas as it comes about, and several other of the seasons. These videos here are videos that can be personalized or do automatically get personalized specifically for you, the agent, sharing this, and they are set up so that you can share them on any platform that you choose. Now, if you are doing social media advertising, you can leverage these calculators as well to your advantage, and you can leverage them, whereas the person on the other end can do the calculations directly themselves as well. Now, this is just a short, quick overview tutorial of it, but for example, if somebody was to come to you and say, look, I want to buy this house, it's $625,000, what is my estimated payment? Simply and easily, all you got to do is put in $625,000. This here is showing it at 10% down. You can change that as to what you choose, and the interest rates here being at 6 3/4, you can change that or edit it at any time. Now, as it does the calculation for you quickly, easily, on the fly, and sometimes just as easy on your phone, if not easier, you're able to quickly get it dialed in for you. So here is your principal and interest, your taxes, your insurance, mortgage insurance, giving you your total payment based upon that specific property and what is going to be needed to be brought in at closing. From there, it's automatically going to start creating fully customized marketing pieces specific to the person that is sharing this. So if you're Johnny Agent, your name, your logo, your contact information is going to be at the bottom of each of the flyers, as you see Victoria's and mine here, because we're bringing this to you. Now, this information on the website or web version can be emailed. You can print it. You can share it on social media. Obviously, on a mobile device, you're able to also text it as well, or again, post. You can see on the right hand side there's going to be multiple flyers that are going to be available inside of this as well. You can also do quick easy seller net sheets on here. There's different calculators, for example, monthly affordability. Hey, look, I can't afford $1 more than $3,500 a month. What can I truly afford? Again, quickly, easily, you're able to put it together, answer some of the basic questions that people might have. At 6 3/4, you're going up to about $475, and that's based on 10% down. Well, what if we put 20% down? Okay, well here, this is what you're looking at. Now, again, it's all about having ease of use to be able to share and show. So on here, you can definitely show, for example, what the difference in interest rate is going to do on their purchasing power. Once you're done sharing and showing, you can again text it, email it, print it, post it, direct message it, whatever is easiest for you. So this tool typically does answer the most commonly asked questions in real estate, and if you're not leveraging this on a daily basis, it's probably because maybe somebody hasn't done a good enough job at sharing and role-playing with you and this program itself. So let's sit down, let's role-play, let's show you where this stuff comes into play, and make sure that you are as equipped as you can possibly be in today's real estate marketplace. Again, Ryan Orr of Team Title Guy at Fidelity National Title, sharing in regards to Fidelity Agent and why you should download this app if you don't already have it. If you do have it, then we need to role play because you should be using this on a daily basis. God bless you. Hope you have an incredible day today, and stay tuned for our future videos as we continue to roll out content for you, and hit the subscribe button today.